Good day, everyone. This is Carol Ingrid and Baloing from BSAD Mathematics 3A, and today I will present to you my final project number 4 on M115 Abstract Algebra. So we have here relate the order of the group to the orders of its subgroup. In order for us to relate it, let's first have our lattice diagram. So here in our lattice diagram, we have mu is equal to CINB5 LOVES MATH under the binary operation star. So the elements here are 14 elements. Under the 14 elements with the largest number of elements, the second largest number of elements is on the side of it, which is the mu 15 is equal to CINB5LO under the binary operation star with 7 elements. So we have here mu 8 is equal to CV under the binary operation star with 2 elements, and also for mu 9 is equal to CE under the binary operation star. Mu 10 is equal to CS under the binary operation star. Mu 11 is equal to CM under the binary operation star. Mu 12 is equal to CA under the binary operation star. Mu 13 is equal to CT under the binary operation star, and mu 14 is equal to CV under the binary operation star. So we have here 2 elements. So the last one on the bottom, we have here mu 1 is equal to C under the binary operation star with 1 elements. As we can observe here, 14, 7, 2, and 1 are divisors of the number 14. 14 and 1, 7 and 2. So we have here the elements of the subgroup are based on the numbers that divides 14, which are 14, 1, 7, 2. The divisors of the order of the group is the order of the subgroups. So we have here subgroup of order 1, which is C generates C or equal to mu 1. The second subgroup of order 2 is V is equal to CV or the mu 18. For E is equal to CE, which is the mu 9. For S, which generates CS or the mu 10. M is equal to CM or the mu 11 on our lattice diagram. A is equal to CA or our mu 12. T is equal to CT or our mu 13. H is equal to CH or our mu 14. Now we have here the subgroup of order 7. So I is equal to N is equal to B is equal to 5 is equal to L is equal to O is equal to CINB5LO, or we have the mu 15 on our lattice diagram. For subgroup of order 14, we have mu is equal to CINB5LOVESMATH. So we have here subgroups of order 1, subgroup of order 2, subgroup of order 7, and subgroup of order 14. The order of the group, which is 14, is related to its subgroup in such way that the order of subgroups is same as the factors or the divisors of the group. That would be all for my final project number 4. Thank you for listening.